Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your gallery album in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open your gallery application, and if you want to lock your gallery album, you have to activate the gallery labs feature. If you want to activate it, you can go to the gallery setting, click on the three lines and select settings. Okay, and you can scroll down until you find the about gallery, and we can click on the version 11 times to activate the gallery labs feature. I'm going to demonstrate it to you. We can click on this version like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, and now the gallery labs is enabled, and we just need to go back to our setting, and you can open your gallery labs. Okay, and in this gallery labs feature, you have to activate the album entry locks. Alright, activate this feature, then click on OK. And after that, we have to close our gallery application, and we can go back to the gallery and choose the album you want to lock. For example, I'm going to lock my download album. We can tap and hold on it and click on the three lines or this more option, and we can click on lock album. Alright guys, and that's how we can log gallery album in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.